Hey, where am I? Today, I will give an update on one of the legendary shopping malls in Bangkok. It sells all sorts of things, from clothing, accessories, gold, camera, watches, phones, etc. The items here are cheap, and for those who love a good bargain, this is the place for you. Yes, I am talking about MBK, Mahboonkrong Center. The MBK Center, or Mahboonkrong, is a large shopping mall in Bangkok, Thailand. It has many small stores and shops, but most importantly, it is air-conditioned. I was here more than 30 years ago, and this old lady has been given a facelift, so let's go and check it out. MBK Center is a jumble of small stores that resembles a market, but it is covered and, more importantly, air-conditioned. Although the MBK Center is not ultramodern, it has its charm. You can lose track of time wandering around for hours, sometimes involuntarily, because there are over 2,500 shops to choose from. You can buy almost anything in the MBK Center, including clothing, accessories, souvenirs, gadgets, and household items. The MBK Mall is popular among young Thai and foreigners partly because of the reasonable costs. You may shop for cheap in MBK, but you'll have to bargain. Negotiating, often known as haggling, is required here, as it is in many other parts of Thailand, because otherwise, you would overpay. So it's good to get your bearings first because the same goods could be cheaper 3 shops down. you enjoy the update, and if you like what you see, do subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up and click on the notification bell so you will be notified when my next videos are up.